Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here with another makeup tutorial and it's a নববর special. This is especially for my Bengali girls out there. I kept this look very simple and very minimalistic, focusing on the eyes because we Bengalis, we love enhancing our eyes, and the lips I kept it nude. Also I got this lovely jewelry from City Center. I'm wearing a ikat, I think it's ikat, right? Also if you guys just make a quick plan, wear a sari, a light sari, ask your mom, মাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করো কোন শাড়িটা হালকা. You can wear that sari, you can do this makeup, grab some jewelry and you will look fabulous. তোমরা ক্যাফেতে হ্যাং আউট করতে পারো. তাছাড়া মুভি দেখতে চাইলে কত ভালো মুভি রিলিজ হচ্ছে. অভিযান, I'm also going to watch it. Shubho Noboborsho shobaike, and I hope you love this video and don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. So I've already cleansed my face, I've already moisturized it, and now I'm just going to prep my skin with the MAC Prep and Prime. So etake just ekটু halka spray kore nilam. I just sprayed it all over my face. And I'm just going to let it dry. This will help me to blend my foundation beautifully. Next, I'm going to color correct my under eye area. যেখানে যেখানে pigmentation আছে সেই জায়গাগুলো আমি orange color corrector দিয়ে ঠিক করার চেষ্টা করব. This one's from Sugar and this is the face forward corrector stick in the shade Onward Orange. So I'm just going to take some and apply it in my under eye area. And now I'm just going to apply some on the sides of my forehead because I have got pigmentation there. Now I'm going to apply foundation, and today I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude. So I got this sachet from Maybelline long time back, and it's high time that I start using it now, otherwise it's gonna go bad. Oh my god. I'm going to take the Plume Kabuki brush. I'm going to pick up some foundation and apply it on my face. I'm not wearing any lenses today because I wanted this look to be very simple. Oh my god, it really blended so easily and so beautifully. Why didn't I use this for such a long time? So the foundation's on, and I told you I took too much foundation. Actually, I didn't take too much foundation, it just happened. It was just an accident, but beshi foundation ekdom lagbe na ei looktar jonno because the idea is to keep it simple. I know you guys are going to tell me, why the hell are you using the same concealer again and again and again? Confession, I did not buy a new concealer. Till now, I'm still in search of a new concealer. I have got a lot of recommendations from you guys, so I promise I'll come up with a new concealer very soon. This is the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. This foundation actually is great because it almost covered my dark circles. Not completely, but almost. More than any other foundation. I'm going to blend it with the PAC 219 brush. You guys know I'm in love with the concealer, and you guys also know why, because it blends beautifully. Now before my under eye area creases, I've got to set it real quick, and I'm going to use the KIRO Timeless Matte Compact, and this is in the shade Honey Tan. So I'm going to use the same brush and apply it under my eyes and just set that area really well. Just going to set my forehead also just a little bit. Now I'll move on to my eyebrows now. So I am going to fill in my brows. I'm not going to change my brow shape because I don't want to. Just going to fill it really well. Now I'm going to use the Benefit Brow, I always forget the name. I'll link it down below, so make sure you check it out. And I'm just going to brush my eyebrows, like going up and then outwards. This just sets my eyebrows and does not let it budge. For my blush, recently I've been loving this. This is from the Face Shop. It's the Water Fit Tint in the shade Cherry Kiss. If it's on, it's just going to go on for the whole day. So if you're looking for a long staying lip and cheek tint, then this is it. And you can also add as much as you want according to your liking. It is easily blendable, but you just have to work on it real fast, otherwise it dries up real fast. And it just gives the most natural looking, beautiful blushed cheeks. Some on the nose. Now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use the K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. I am going to use this shade. I'm going to use the Sigma Kabuki brush. I'm just going to pick up some and apply it under my cheekbone right here. Just apply it on the sides of my nose. Just the bottom of my nose. I'm not going to contour my forehead because I already have a small forehead. But if you guys have large foreheads, then contour the sides of your forehead. Now moving on to the eyes, my favorite part. I'm going to use the MAC Graphblack Technakohl liner. This is a black kajal. By the way, did I tell you guys I removed my extensions? It's just the nail polish, the gel polish right now. I feel so much lighter. I am going to apply it. Oops, what the hell? It just broke. কতটা ভেঙে গেল Anyway, I'm just going to apply it heavily and messy. I'm not being neat at all. I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids and then I'm going to blend it. I'm going to blend it and I'm not going to take it too high. I'm just going to do it like half my eyelid. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. And then blend, blend, blend. When you blend it, you must be careful and you should open your eyes once and look at the mirror and check your eyeshadow or your kajal should not cross the crease of your eyes. Now we're gonna go over again and this time we're gonna apply it neatly, very, very close to the lash line and make this area darker than the rest. একটু thick করে লাগালেও অসুবিধা নেই. You can go a little thick here, but not too much. There should be a difference between your faded one, like your blended one, and the one you're doing right now, which we're not going to blend. Now we're going to line our waterline and go a little heavy here too, just like that. Don't drag it too much, otherwise your eyes are going to look tired. So just look up and blend it. Blend it, but blend it really, really, lightly. Be careful to not drag it down. Just make sure that the ends meet, otherwise it's going to look incomplete. I think I dragged it down a little too much. Now I'm going to show you how to correct it. We're going to take a Q-tip. Now I'm going to take the Garnier Micellar water. This is the cleansing water. You can take any makeup removing oil or micellar water, just very, very lightly, otherwise your concealer is gonna get spoiled. Now taking the same concealer brush, we're just gonna blend it very, very lightly. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. If you guys don't have this, another amazing alternative is the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. I use this all the time and this is one of my favorites. Just going to look in the mirror and apply. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to apply a second coat because I'm not going to use any false lashes today. Now it's time for the highlighter and I'm going to use the Rimmel highlight. This is in the shade Stardust. So I'm going to apply the highlight on top of my cheekbones, on my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and the brow bone area. So for the lipstick, the first lipstick I'm going to go is from Sugar and this is in the shade Eugene. I'm going to link everything in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And I'm just going to add it. Just a little because it's a really, really dark shade, so I'm just going to add a little and then blend it with my fingers. Or if you have a lip liner similar to this shade, then you can just apply the lip liner. You can apply it really thick around your lips. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips, just leaving the outer parts because I want the outer parts to be a little bit darker. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you loved it and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe and like this tutorial and share it with your friends. অনেক enjoy করো তোমাদের friendsদের সাথে, family, relatives, যাদের সাথে তোমরা enjoy করতে চাও, একদম ফাটিয়ে enjoy করো and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.